Imagine standing on the edge of a calm waterway, watching innovation unfold right before your eyes. Here, the Migrator tube floats gracefully on the water's surface, a striking demonstration of its readiness to meet new challenges. This impressive tube stretches 185 feet, designed with a purpose: to guide salmon safely and efficiently, even in aquatic settings. As you follow the tube from its start to finish, notice how its structure remains sturdy and reliable, adapting seamlessly to this waterborne environment. Each clip you see demonstrates a clear sequence: the tube floating, the fish entering, the journey progressing, and finally the salmon emerging, unharmed and ready to continue its migration. The process is easy, stress-free, and gentle for both the salmon and the people involved. Now, observe as a salmon begins its journey. Within just 9 seconds, it glides through the entire length of the tube, swiftly, smoothly, and without hesitation. This is more than a test. It's proof of versatility. Whether suspended in the air or floating in water, the Migrator tube delivers consistent results, ensuring each fish journeys safely, wherever the need arises. This unique approach opens new doors. By adapting the Migrator tube to aquatic environments, you gain fresh possibilities for fish transport, habitat restoration, and beyond. As you envision your own applications, feel confident knowing this innovation rises to meet your needs. The result? A product that connects technology and nature, efficient, reliable, and inspiring.